What's up, YouTube? My name is Smithy. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down below. And also, while you're down there, hit the notification bell. You'll be notified every time I put out a video. Today's video is going to be a travel video. It's going to be about this cute little town that I found. It's been abandoned, but it has a lot of charm left to it. The only thing active in the town is the church and the post office. So yeah, if that's something you want to watch, stick around. We'll get to it. Let's go. We're just gonna take a quick little drive down to this little town that I found. I hope you really like it. Let's change the channel into something more appropriate. Welcome to Seven Springs. This town is so freaking cute. And the town's over. You have left the city limits of Seven Springs. But look at that church right in front of us. The stairway to heaven right there. Oh, stop sign. Look at that. Let's go look. Nice festive little lights. Just an idea what I'm looking at. Let me come over to the edge. It's very cool. There's the little town right there. So little. They might be open. It's a cool church though. I was actually extremely antsy to check out the town. I know I drove through it really quickly. You don't get a true feel for something unless you walk around. This is probably the corner store until this new building right here took the parking lot of the corner store. And that was probably like your barbershop or something. Don't quote me, I have no idea. It's a grocery store. Or it's just a little barn. Maybe just a little barn. It might still be active, man. You never know. It is no longer a thing. I'll give y'all a peek too. You can see in there. That's probably the local sheriff's. Oh, stupid, don't listen to me. How cool would it be if there was a jail cell in here? That would be wicked. Somebody's been using it for something. Some little lanterns in there. My phone will focus. My phone will focus over there. It won't. Of course. These are all tiny houses. Good God. Almost too tall to be standing on the porch. Somebody had a dog. Somebody's house. And tell me this isn't the coolest little town hall. Look at that. So itty bitty, and that big old fireplace. Yo. It's fireman gear. Maybe that's the fire department. And that's no idea. It would be fitting. Fire department, post office. I really like this little town. Here's Seven Springs Supply. Their supply has run dry. It has been 9:43 for a long time in there. And now we're walking across the street from this red building. Just come to think of it, it might have been a fire station. Look at this guy. 307 has been destroyed. There's another town hall. Look at that. They moved it from back there to over here. Another abandoned house. And you got the trusty local post office. This may have been a nice place at one time. Look at that. Whoa, look at that deck. Here's the courtyard where we entertain the guests. Little tea. Thanks for watching my video today. I hope you had a blast rolling with me, looking at all the abandoned houses that I found. I'll catch you on the next one.